unity in our community, though, God. And the person them who show up for Melissa. It's a good look. Lunch is costing 8,400 today. Can we get any sponsor for lunch today? Thank you so much, Janice. So we get $20.
Thank you, Janice.
Put the 20 towards the lunch. Thank you so much. Appreciate it, man. Guys, show Janice some love. Thank you so much. Even though when you send it, so YouTube takes something from it, you know. Normally, I advise the people to use PayPal and Zelle and Cash App. Even though no matter which way you take it, somehow to come out of it. Yeah, thank you so much, Janice. You can put towards lunch. The lunch is gonna cost us. We have 13 persons here today. So lunch will be costing us 8,004 Jamaican dollars. You know, a person come and give a helping hand, you just give them something, you know. Yeah, man.